I haven't shared this story to anybody because I'm so shameful about it. At the age of 18, I was so frustrated at my parents for being so controlling, I decided to run away from home. The day when I ran away from home, it was very dramatic. I told them, I can handle on my own. I can survive on myself. I don't need you guys. I don't need you guys to control me. And I just walk off. But running away from home was not the shameful part. Let me tell you why it's shameful. The day when I decided to run away from home, I picked the wrong timing. First of all, it was a very cold season. So the first night when I was not home, I slept in my friend's car. It was super cold. My whole body was numb. Everything in my body shrank. So the next day, I was like, Mom, Dad, I'm sorry about what I said yesterday. You mind if I just go home? Because I don't think I can handle the street life because it's really cold. And another thing that where I'm shameful about is that I didn't bring any money. I was thinking my friends gonna feed me and everything, but the first night when I got to his house, boy, his mom gave me that look like, why he eating our food? But here's where it's really shameful, y'all. How you run away from the age of 18. I'm an adult. That's pretty much, I just spent the night at my friend's house. That's not running away. I'm ashamed about that, y'all. Thanks for listening.